up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I hope you guys are really safe and sound and healthy during this pandemic. So, as promised, I'm back with another helpful video that is going to be full of value. So, if you don't know much about my YouTube channel, so basically, I upload videos related to digital marketing, online business, tips, tricks, and advice to grow businesses online. And I also share a lot of blogging tips. So if you want to see videos related to this particular field, go ahead, hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel, because I promise every single video will add value to your life. So today's topic is gonna be very helpful to those who already have a YouTube channel but it is not growing right now, and to those who already have decided that yes, I'm gonna create a YouTube channel in the future, but I want to know how I can create and grow my YouTube channel in my future and make it as a career. So basically the topic will be how to YouTube SEO. So it will be a step-by-step guide. It will be beginner friendly. Every single person can do that if they have a internet connection and they have few tools. So I will also share the list of tools I'm using. You can also go into the description to get those tools. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's jump into my laptop screen. So guys, welcome back to my laptop screen. So I have prepared a YouTube SEO checklist for you guys. So if you want to go ahead and use it, what you can do is just ping me over Instagram, and what I can do is I can forward this to you. As you can see in this checklist, on the top we have thumbnail SEO file, then TubeBuddy research, keyword check, title description, tags, long description, and call to action. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that your particular keyword or your particular topic is searched by people. So see, let's say I want to create a video on pros and cons of artificial intelligence, but let's say there are only 5 searches on YouTube related to that video. So how much impressions and views I'm gonna get per month? Maybe one or two. So never ever take keywords that is having a very low search volume. Always go with keywords that is having at least 500 to 1000 search volume. Then it has a decent amount of competition, like low to medium or somewhere related to that. So I will show you how to do that. So let's take a video as a case study. I will show you a video in my channel. Let's go to my YouTube studio. I will take this particular video, which is Hostinger Review 2020. This is ranking on the first page of YouTube. I just posted this video 2 days ago and it is ranking. So let's go ahead and take this video as our case study today. This is the video hosting a review 2020. I will take this as my case study today. I will first go ahead and show you guys that this video is ranking on number maybe 5 or 6. As you can see, it is published on 25th June 2020. It is only 2 days back. Today is maybe 28th. Yeah, it is 28th. So what I will do is I will first go to YouTube and show you that it is ranking. I will type Hostinger review. Okay, so this is the keyword Hostinger review. Now this is the number one, this is number two, number three, number four. Here is my video number five. Okay, so here you can see it is only 2 days old. So if you again go ahead and check the other videos, this is 10 months old, this is 11 months old, this is 1 year old, but this video is 2 days old. and it is still ranking on the fifth number. So how is it possible? What extra things did I do for this kind of ranking? So I will share everything, but please make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this particular video as a case study. I will quickly go to my studio and click on the edit button to this particular video so that you can see how the optimization is done. Okay, here we are. I will click on edit. So I am showing the backend, the video details that I think normally no YouTuber will be showing you. So this is a gold mine for you. Take notes and do exactly what I say. Okay. So this is my checklist. First thing is you have to optimize your thumbnail and SEO file. I mean, you have to SEO optimize your thumbnail and your MP4 or the video file. So first of all, I will show you my file name. So this is my file name. It is hostingerreview.mp4. So normally when we make output of a file, it comes something like this, something like a random number .mp4 or wmb or something like that. So what you can do instead, you just can right click on it and click on rename. So if your targeted keyword is hostinger review, then what you can do is you can type hostinger underscore review underscore 2020. So let's say if this is your keyword, you have to use it in your video file. So now you must be thinking, what, why should I use this kind of keywords in my video file? But my friends, let me tell you, YouTube is a search engine, and the way search engine works is they search a lot of files from their database, right? So if you already have the keywords in your file name, in your video, in your mp4 name, then it will be quite easier for the YouTube bot to find your video and show it on the first page. So a lot of people miss this point, but I'm telling you, never ever miss this point. The next point is your thumbnail. So let's say you are allowed to use custom thumbnails. I do have this one as my custom thumbnail. So what you can do is you can modify the name of the thumbnail. So I will show you. Let's say this is my thumbnail. Okay, this is my thumbnail. WordPress SEO tutorial step-by-step guide. So you can see how I have optimized the thumbnail. So how to do WordPress SEO 2020. So this is my keyword. So that's how I optimized my thumbnail. So basically, we started from the root, the file and the image both are optimized. So it will be easier for YouTube to find your video and show your video in the first page whenever some keywords related to this is typed on the YouTube search bar. Okay, so I think we covered the first checklist. Then we have TubeBuddy research. So we must do some research before doing any kind of YouTube video. We must do some research. We must see what kind of competitors are there on YouTube, what kind of keywords they are using on YouTube, and how the hell I can beat them on YouTube, right? So for that, I use a tool called TubeBuddy. I will enter the link in the description. This is my secondary channel where I have the TubeBuddy Pro. So this is my TubeBuddy Pro. As you can see, the license is Pro. I don't believe in free stuff, so I always take the paid keyword tool so that I can get the right amount of, you can say, the analytics and the results. Okay, so first of all, here on the right you can see the keyword explorer. Click on it, then put your keyword over here. Let's say my keyword was hostinger review. So now you can see what are the other keywords that people are searching over the YouTube. hosting a review 2020, hosting a review Hindi, hosting a review Tamil, hosting a review Tech Roast, hosting a review India, Hindi, Telugu, blah, 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 and a lot of keywords are already there. So let's say hosting a review 2020. So now it will show you a fair graph that you can use to optimize the video. So this is the search volume. It is showing me as poor. Maybe not a lot of people are searching for this. Still, it is going nearly to the orange. So as I have a lot of knowledge about Hostinger, I will surely go ahead and do this video. After that, the competition is fair. Once you enter your keyword over here, and you can see the weighted and unweighted score over here. So if we see the unweighted, it is telling me that there isn't much competition on this keyword and enough search volume to make it a fair keyword to target. So if you want, you can just drop this keyword because it has not a lot of you can say keyword research per month. So anyhow, I have decided this keyword because of competition. We can easily rank for that. And now what you can do is you can also click on results. So when I click on results, it is showing me how many people are ranking for this and how they are using the keyword. So if you see, this guy is ranking on the top, but he is using Hostinger on the very last of his title. Again, there are few people ranking on the 2 and 3. They are using Hostinger review here on the left side of their title. But nobody is literally targeting Hostinger review 2020. So what I did is I tried to add Hostinger Review 2020. So that is why a video that was created 24 to 48 hours ago is ranking on the first page. So I tried to write the word Hostinger again and again. You can see Hostinger review, review again, Hostinger. So everything is repeated many times in the description, in the tags, in the title, and the whole title is starting from hosting a review. So this is the technique that you can also use by checking the results, the summary, and everything in the tool which is called TubeBuddy. They also offer a free version, but I don't prefer that. I always prefer the paid one. Okay, next thing which I would recommend you to use with TubeBuddy is again the same keyword explorer. Click here and again put your keyword. Let's say Hostinger review is my keyword. Then I will click on explore. Now you can see the related searches: Hostinger review 2020, Hostinger review Hindi. If you are doing videos in Hindi, you can check it out, or just take all the common tags that are available in the YouTube TubeBuddy tool, because people are searching for those keywords. So what I will do is I will take all the relevant tags: Hostinger review 2020, Hostinger review India, Hostinger, okay, Bluehost versus Hostinger review, Hostinger cloud hosting, Hostinger single web hosting, again Hostinger domain review, again Hostinger best website hosting, Hostinger coupon code, Hostinger WordPress, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger cheap hosting. Anything that people are searching is available here. So what you can do is click on action and copy the clipboard. So once you copy this, you will be copying all the tags. What you can do is come here and paste the tags. So let's say I have my tags. I will just go ahead and paste it here. So as you can see, I have been using 500 characters in my tags already. So I will recommend you to use all the space of this particular field. This is how I optimize my tags field. I don't provide any scope to my competitors. I always make sure that I take full advantage of this. Now what you can see is this video is only 2 days old, and it is already ranking on the first page for hosting a review. It is already ranking on the first page for hosting a review 2020. So that's a great thing. And I'm sure that after a few months this will be ranking on maybe 20 to 30 keywords. Okay, so let's get back to our YouTube SEO checklist. We have thumbnail done, we have TubeBuddy research done. Then again, we will do double check of keywords. So for that, I have two other tools. One is keywordtool.io, one is Ahrefs. So basically, why I use this again is I use this to make sure whether actually people are searching for that keyword. Here, you can see the exact numbers that people are searching worldwide. So I have selected YouTube over here. So you have to select YouTube. Then we have global English set over here because I'm making videos in English. So you can also select any country you want. Now what I will do is I will put hosting a review and click on search. Okay, so here is the search volume, which is quite decent. 5,700 people per month are searching for Hostinger, and the CPC is 104 rupees, or you can say around $1.5. And you can see the trend is upward to 230%. So this is absolutely a great keyword. Then you can see the competition, which is low. So you can see there are a lot of opportunities in YouTube. Now people are saying that those people who are doing YouTube since 10 years, 5 years have a lot of potential. YouTube is totally saturated, but no, YouTube is not saturated. If I can go ahead and do a video and rank it within 2 days on the first page of YouTube, you can also do it. Okay, so this is how I found the search volume of this keyword. Then again, I will copy this and go ahead and click the Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. Here, what I will do is once I will check in United States, the search volume is kind of low. Then I will select India. It is around 300, but yeah, around 80% people are clicking on it. So worldwide it is around 5,700, which is showing on keywordtool.io, but it is showing around 300 to 400 in India. Again, there are a lot of other keywords, so that is not a problem. We will surely go ahead and use this keyword. So this is how we are pretty sure that our keyword is a fair keyword. This can be used in a video. People are really searching for this. This is easy to rank, and yes, it is not a keyword that is having below 100 searches per month. So we will go ahead and take this keyword. So this was the part where you did your keyword check. Now we have title, descriptions, tags, long descriptions, and call to actions. I think I have already covered the tags. So now I will show you the title and description. So here you can see the title that is provided by YouTube. Now this is by character limit. This is 100 characters. So you have to make sure that all of your keywords are in the title field, and they are at the starting of the title. So you can see I have written over here Hostinger Review 2020. Should you purchase Hostinger WordPress hosting? Honest review by Satyajit. So here are my keywords: Hostinger Review 2020, then Hostinger WordPress hosting, then again honest review by Satyajit. So these are not my keyword, but my keyword is review, Hostinger WordPress hosting, then Hostinger review 2020. So as you can see, I have added all my keywords in a very nice manner so that it will not look like a spam, and I have my keyword at the starting of my title on the left side. So this is what I recommend to you as well. Okay, so then after that I have added the link to hosting or WordPress hosting, and after that I have written a description where I have repeated the word hosting or WordPress hosting at least 4 to 5 times. So here we have hosting a WordPress hosting one, and this is second time. Then again, this is third time, and again this is WordPress hosting fourth time. Again, you have fifth time. So you have to write a description that really makes a lot of sense and is relevant, but you should make sure that you use your keyword at least 4 to 5 times in that particular long description. And yes, if you don't have time, or let's say you are not very good at writing, what you can do is simply go ahead and outsource the work using Upwork or Fiverr, and create a you can say long description of 1,000 to 2,000 words and insert all your keywords. Okay, so now we have covered almost everything. The title is done, the tags is done, long description is done. Next is call to action. So what is call to action? So each and every video we make for YouTube has some purpose or some goals. So if you don't have any call to action of YouTube, then where you gonna send people after watching the video? So here my call to action is a WordPress hosting link where I want to send people after watching. Then again, follow me on Instagram. So these two are my call to actions. So I would also recommend you to use call to actions in your long description, because uh, if you are putting a lot of effort doing YouTube videos, a lot of hard work is done with your videos, but you are not getting what you desire out of it, then you must use these call to actions in your videos so that people can go ahead and take some action. So you can tell people that this is my affiliate link, go ahead and purchase this hosting. This is my Instagram ID, what you can do is go ahead and follow me. So this is how the call to action really works. So guys, this was it, this was everything how I do YouTube SEO and rank videos only in 1 to 2 days. So this is how you can also do YouTube SEO, and you can also this similar method, this similar checklist, and create another video and try it out and show me whether it is. So last but not the least, if you think that I have added some value to your life by doing this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel, because it will motivate me to add more and more value to your life. And apart from that, if you have any questions, write it in the comment box. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I have my link to Instagram below. Just go ahead, follow me and ask for this checklist, which I'm gonna send you via Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.